And with that, we are going to move ahead. Now, a fire has broken out on the second floor of a school located in Delhi's ITO Sunday morning, prompting a swift response from the fire department. According to officials, the Delhi Fire Service received a call about the incident around 9:37 a.m. Initial information indicated that thick smoke was billowing from the second floor of the building, which houses offices under the Ministry of Education. 8 fire tenders were also rushed to the spot to bring the blaze under control. Firefighters launched operations immediately after reaching the premises. The blaze was later brought under control. No casualties or injuries have been reported. The cause of the fire, however, is yet to be ascertained.
At this point of time, at School of Architecture and Planning, and here, just a while back, a fire blaze was reported. You can still see we are one of the first channels to reach on site, and these are the exclusive visuals of what you can see. The efforts are going on. As of now, there are 5 to 7 fire tenders who have reached on spot, and they are trying to contain the blaze. They've successfully contained the blaze, and also people have been evacuated. What we are getting to know, this is the second floor of the building, and DFS squad, Delhi police officials, ambulances have also been made here. And here, as of now, the people have been successfully evacuated without any kinds of serious injuries. You can still see some visuals also of the fact that it looks like fire tenders who are here. Rescue efforts have been made by the officials. I'll request a camera person to just pan around and show on the left side that there are some officials there also who are trying to, contain the blaze. They've put on ladders and cranes to ensure that the blaze inside gets contained. Not only that, what you see on the right hand side is still heavy smoke that is coming out of the buildings. Because this happened just a while back, maybe half an hour back, it is still a very fresh incident that it took place from where we are reporting at this point of time. But yes, clearly, fortunately, there have been no casualties or injuries reported so far. On my left hand side, you can see many such cranes have been deployed. This place have been completely cordoned off by the officials to ensure that the situation, situation does not escalate, and things can be done in a safer and smoother way. And even ladders have been put at what we are trying to show you. So clearly, these are some very important visuals, important updates that we are trying to show you from our end, that we are reporting. And also, as per what we are getting to know from early reports, that this can be because of some kind of short circuit that led to the fire there. But official update is yet to be given by the officials. But what we are getting to know from our reports, from some internal sources, they are saying it can be out of short circuit. So clearly it will be very important to see how it pans out, because these kinds of incidents at this point of time, when the summers are here, are increasing. It's increasing time by time, and you can still see on our visuals fire tenders, fire officials also. They are deployed there, and they are trying to do as much as they can to ensure that the situation gets contained and the situation gets better. This is me, Brian Andrew Thomas, signing off with camera person Deepak for NewsX.